Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is sya'banul. I'm from class 2A, place Bachelor Technical Commercial Engineering, Electrical Engineering major. So I will present a resume until step-by-step process of lead-free PCB assembly. This is time I discuss through my understanding, which read on my laptop. Okay, right? Let's listen and understand ya guys. So, step-by-step process of lead-free PCB assembly. Lead-free PCB assembly means PCB assembly that uses no lead during any phase of manufacturing. Lead is traditionally used in the PCB soldering process. However, lead is toxic and is therefore hazardous to humankind. Considering in consequences, reactions of hazardous substances rules directive by the European Union prohibits the uses of lead in PCB assembly process. The replacement of lead with less toxic substance causes little difference in the PCB assembly process. This post gives step-by-step details about the lead-free PCB assembly process. Guidelines for lead PCB assembly. The lead-free PCB assembly process is divided into two fundamental parts, namely the pre-assembly process and the active assembly process. Type involved in the lead-free PCB assembly process are detailed as follows. Pre-assembly steps. There are the fundamental pre-assembly steps involved in lead-free PCB manufacturing. The steps set the foundation for error-free and precise PCB assembly. The pre-assembly steps of lead-free PCB assembly are as follows. Profiling is prototype assembly process. The manufacturers take a finished lead-free PCB as a prototype. This can be a functional actual PCB or a non-functional PCB or dummy parts. The stencil for assembly are traced by profiling. The lead-free assembly design are compared to prototypes in order to ensure incompatibility for the assembly. Solder pass inspection. Since the lead-free solder joint gives a metallic appearance, which is very different than a lead-based solder, it is important to inspect meticulously. The PCB profile and solder paste are inspected under EPC 6610D standards to ensure the lead-free solder joints will be firm and solid. The moisture level is also tested in this step because in lead-free soldering, the bearing is exposed to a high level of moisture as compared to traditional soldering. Bill of material, BOM, and component analysis. In this process, the customer has to verify the bills of material, BOM, in order to make sure the components are made of lead-free material. Lead-free components are found to moisture, therefore should be baked in the oven by the manufacturer. Once the prerequisite steps are performed, the actual lead-free assembly begins. Active assembly steps. In the active assembly process, the PCB assembly actually takes place. The steps involved in the active lead-free assembly are detailed as follows. Stencil placement and solder pass application. In this step, the lead-free stencil from the profiling stage in place on the board, then the lead-free solder pass is applied. Generally, lead-free solder pass material is SAC305. Components mounting. Once the solder paste is applied, the components are mounted on the board. The component placement can be done manually or by using automatic machinery. The inspect and place operation, but the components used are required to be confined and labeled in the palm verification stage. The machine or operation picks and labels component and place into the designed location. Soldering. A lead-free 12-hole or manual soldering is performed in this stage, regardless of the type of process, THT or SMT. The soldering must be lead-free. Board placement inside airflow oven. The rolls compatible PCBs are required to be heated and high temperature to evenly melt the solder paste. Therefore, the PCB are placed inside a regular oven, where the solder paste melts. Further, the boards are coated at room temperature to solidify the melted solder paste. This helps fix the components at their position. Testing and packaging. The PCBs are tested under EPC 1600D standards. The solder chain are tested in this tab. Visual inspection is followed by AOI and X-ray inspection. Physical and functional testing is performed prior to packaging. For the packaging of lead-free PCBs, it is very important to use anti-electrical discharge badge. This is important to ensure that the final product will not suffer from static charging during transportation. However, despite the rough understanding of lead-free PCB assembly, it's should be performed by experts for perfection. Creative High-Tech is a lead-free PCB manufacturing company that use rolls contain PR4 material for PCB manufacturing. The follow APCA 1600 DEANSI or GSD001 standard for lead-free PCB manufacturing. Oke, sekian dari saya. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.